even know where to start.
Maybe we should, like, smallest one up.
That one you. That one you. That one me. That one me. Okay. Bam. Yo, and here's the sauce. Tell me what you think of the sauce. I added some new things to my sauce, guys. So let's see what she thinks. Yay, nay, better, worse? Better, worse?
But it's a little bit bland.
Bland? Blander than before?
Yeah.
Because I did add different stuff, so. Well, let's see. Let's see what you're talking about, because my palate is a little different than yours. Excuse my language.
Wait. No, I got to the bottom.
You got to the bottom. Yeah, I got to the bottom. So,
Lemony.
lemony. So it's more lemony now that I put the regular. I put real lemon instead of the thing is here by the way. I put more real lemon as opposed to store-bought lemon, like the lemon juice in a bottle kind of thing. Let's see.
You okay?
It is definitely different.
It's the point you cough?
Yeah.
Different. That's
Well,
pretty different.
you know what it is? The Worcestershire.
That's probably it. Yeah.
For sure. Because that was very... Look at you. More food in your mouth. So, guys, we're going to talk about 31 Nights of Halloween. Well, Camryn is born on Halloween.
What?
Physically on the day of
I need some
Halloween.
napkins, Mom.
Here. Ta-da!
You came prepared.
I did. Thank you. So she was born on Halloween. And she was, which will bring me actually to my first movie suggestion. Do you know what movie that is?
Twitches.
Go Twitches, go Twitches. It's a birthday, it's a birthday. So she was named after one of the characters in Twitches. Ooh, look at that.
This is good. This is really good.
Played by Tia and Tamara Mowry. She was named after the character Camryn. Literally Cameron Elizabeth. What did you just do?
I cracked this.
Okay. And she was physically named after that movie. Not even kidding you. Not even trying to be funny. Kind of nervous to do this. Really, ready?
Straight up sauce?
Mm.
Yeah, crap. Okay.
Straight up sauce and crab. God, almost like sauce overload. And you know, it was kind of weird because the story behind it is that when I was pregnant with Camryn, everybody was like, oh, name her, you know, something ethnic, exotic, you know, name her something really super Hispanic.
The I wanted me to be named Annabelle.
No, I was gonna name you Annabelle.
Oh.
My sister actually wanted you to be named Estrella. And my dad wanted you to be named Zathura.
Imagine if that was my name and people were trying to pronounce it.
God have mercy.
This Zathira?
Zathura.
Demia?
Zathura. What's her name? Zathura?
Sound like like a video game
Seriously?
character.
Yeah, you would, like Zelda. And I was about 7 months pregnant. And it was right before my baby shower. And I was watching the movie. Actually, no, I was farther than that, wasn't I? Yeah, because it was like the beginning of October. And it was the 31 Nights of Halloween back 10 years ago. And the movie Twitches came on. And I remember sitting there watching it. And, you know, the mom in the movie said, Camryn Elizabeth. And she kicked. And I went, oh, that's her name. Camryn Elizabeth. And the next morning I went to my dad and I said, nope, I know her name. Ooh, that's a good one. Jesus Christ.
Mom.
Can I do it?
Try it. I'll hear a slurp, 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 slurp.
Good Lord, have mercy. Good God. Ooh, look, that came out.
I'm manhandling this crab mom.
I know you're not really saying much. So, that's the story about her namesake, per se. So, back to the task at hand. God, I got that butter galore. All right, so, hold on. Oh my God, we're still filming. All right, so 31 is Twitches. Your go. Name a movie for Halloween.
Scream.
Really? Did not think you would pick an adult movie. Have you seen it?
Yes.
Okay.
I have. I was bored, so I watched it while you were sleeping on the iPod.
So you watched it while I was sleeping on it. That's never good, guys. All right, so, well, since we're saying adult movies that I didn't think you were going to say.
I just jumped.
Like Halloween. Michael Myers.
Hey Mom, remember when we went to Comic-Con and Michael Myers was like walking up behind us?
And I had a heart attack? Yeah.
What? Wait, and I turned to him and I said no,
Nope.
and then he just walked away
I do remember
moping.
Because he walked up like real silently behind you. We're like, don't do it, homie. Save yourself. All right, your go. I said Halloween.
I'm sorry, it's like difficult to think.
You got nothing?
Wait, I think I do.
I'm listening.
Hocus Pocus.
That was number 1 on my list. Damn, you just went for the jugular. Casper.
I feel like we barely even watch Casper because it's like so kid friendly.
It is. It really is, though. I'm sorry. Maybe I'm one of those moms. I'm just like, well, that's kind of like
Boring.
lame. Next. Your go.
Let's see. Maybe Ghostbusters.
Really? You consider Ghostbusters a Halloween movie?
Yeah, it's full. It's a bunch of guys, or the new
Oh.
one. Oh gosh!
Oh.
Get the mic.
Go ahead.
Technically, it's like a bunch of guys, or the new one with the girls
Right.
who get ghosts in New York.
All right, touche. Touche. How about Girl versus Monster?
That's an old one. That's a really old one.
It is. But, well, not really
I
that
remember
old.
watching that when I was 6, going to sleepovers on Halloween.
That is not really that old. Cause I'm way older than 6. Don't use that again. So, all right, your turn. I said Golf versus Monsters.
Yeah, I was gonna do it.
You were gonna do that one?
Yeah. I mean, you could.
What?
This is hard. It's
That's
a weird
hard?
thing. Yeah.
You want me to name some?
Wait. Ooh, I know actually a new one
Okay.
on Netflix.
Okay.
Freaked Out.
That's not really a Halloween.
It's a kid wearing a mask walking around the world collecting stories of kids who are being like tortured by bugs, video games.
Okay, touche. I'll give you that. I got one. 13 Ghosts. It's a classic, actually. It's really old. 13 Ghosts is about a haunted house.
Usually that's what they're always about.
Well, duh, it's kind of like the format of it. But haunted house that, oh, shoot. Okay, let's go for it, shall we, guys? Jesus. And basically, this guy tries to collect 13 tortured spirits to make like the ultimate portal. And he does, but he uses his cousin or brother or something like that because his wife died. Pause it. Sit down. Now. Okay, so Halloween Town.
And I'm gonna follow that up with what is it?
Yeah, you're following, so great.
How can I forget the name of that?
I don't know. I don't know what is.
Like let me. Like Jack the Pumpkin. Gosh, I forgot the movie.
Nightmare Before Christmas.
Yes.
I'm gonna follow that up with I forgot. That was a good one. So, okay. My next one is The Goonies.
Goonies?
The Goonies. Remember The Goonies? You saw it.
I saw it.
Mommy, it's your auntie.
Pause it.
He poured them on the floor, you know.
Probably. Go check. So my next one. The Boy Who Cried Werewolf. Ta-da.
My next one, Hotel Transylvania.
Okay, touche. My next one. My Mom's Dating a Vampire.
Don't think I know that one.
Nope, you haven't seen that one. I think that one came out before you were born.
My next one, My Babysitter's a Vampire.
Touche. My next one is a classic. Rocky Horror Picture Show. You've never seen it. Here we go.
My next one, I think it's called like Don't Look at the Something. I forgot what it's called.
Don't Look Under the Bed.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good one. That was actually a cute one too. My next one, Practical Magic.
Okay.
Classic. Oh, I got another one. Ghost. The Michael Jackson version. Not the Patrick Swayze one. Which I don't think you've seen that one either. What the heck? It's not letting me in there.
It's like, you will never get in it.
You shall not pass. Ooh, dang it. Ah, I got it. Maybe it's like a quantity book.
Okay. What you just said is not similar to what I'm having for my birthday.
Yeah, the Harry Potter theme. Well, no. Because your theme is Harry Potter. But that is actually Lord of the Rings.
They're kind of similar though.
Yeah, they're about wizards.
Yeah.
Well, they have wizards. Take the bug.
Yeah.
Mostly ghostly. To the earth, the dark descends. Something, something that all should ends. Oh, I almost remembered all of it.
Mine's is Goosebumps. That's technically a Halloween movie.
It is, but it's also technically a classic. So,
No, I mean like the new one.
that's not classic. Wait, you talking about the movie
Yeah.
with Jack Black?
Yeah.
That's not. Well, I mean, it's still good, but it was a good movie. But outside of the show,
Oh yeah. Still pretty good
the
too.
classic show.
I just noticed the show's kind of like creeped out.
Mm-hmm. I almost got that.
I swear.
I got a
sometimes
double
I
side.
just zone out while I'm
Look at
eating.
that. Double-sided. All right, your turn. No, they come out.
I don't even know.
Monsters Inc.
Okay, that. Technically, no, that's not a Halloween movie. Even though it has monsters, it doesn't have any elements of Halloween.
Yes, it does. Because if that's the case, then Goonies doesn't count, and they play Goonies all the time. Practical Magic doesn't have anything really about Halloween either. It's about witches. Ta-da!
Did you know that in Monsters Inc. when they say 2319, if we go into the alphabet, 23W19S stands for White Sock.
What does that matter?
I don't know. It's a weird thing I know. It's a weird fact I know.
That was kind of like
So
random.
off key.
Yeah. The Haunted Mansion.
Oh, okay.
What else? I'm kind of like.
We all are tried out.
Well, no, I mean, I have a list. I do. Casper. Did I say Casper already?
Yeah,
I did. I feel like I said Casper already.
Corpse Bride.
Corpse Bride. That would have been a good one if that would have came out. You said don't look. You said don't look under the bed.
Yeah. Bird Box.
Do you really count Bird Box?
Yes, it is a Halloween movie because, like Monsters Inc. and Practical Magic, it has one
Pause.
element of Halloween spirits.
Pause, please. Because you hear your brother in the background going, "Mommy doesn't love us." All right. So, what would your next one be?
Maybe. This is hard.
Ooh. I do kind of like it with the onions give it like a vinegary taste almost.
I don't even know.
I
feel like we said all of them.
Oh, Invisible Sisters. Remember that from like 2 years ago?
Oh yeah.
Happy Family. That's that one where the family turned into monsters. Remember?
Monster Family.
No, it's called Happy Family.
No, it's called Monster Family.
No, seriously, it's called the one where the mom
Turns into a
vampire.
Yes, that's Monster Family.
Okay, well, that's not what it shows up as on Google. It shows up as Happy Family.
I see.
So,
I don't even know. I'm kind of stumped.
Monster Island. Remember that one? Where the kid didn't know his mom? And his dad like raised him as a human. And then he finds out that he's actually part monster. Remember when he turned into that red orange, like it looked like he looked like one of these actually. Remember?
I don't think I do. Should I smash this one?
Why would you do that?
I think I got it.
When you could just use a fork? Really?
I feel like I'm bending the fork.
I feel like I just almost broke one down. The house with the clock in its walls.
I don't know.
It is. It is. It pops up when you Google it. When you Google Halloween themed movies, it's one of the ones that pop up as fantasy Halloween. Under Wraps. You've never seen that movie, but it is a. I'm still working on this piece. It is a Disney movie, and it falls under the Disney Halloween genre. Excuse the other ones. You can hear my kids in the background. Okay, so, well, my other kids. Which was my oldest.
How about we talk about like weird Halloween?
Did we really go all through all of them?
I think. Yeah.
Coraline.
Yeah, but that's just pure scary. I screamed the first time I watched it.
Corpse Bride.
We already said that.
We did. Yeah, then I think we did. Hold on.
What onion?
What is that?
How about we talk about like weird?
Right? The onion is good in it?
Yeah.
See, and you were nervous. Because my other sauce that I make.
Other sauce is really good.
Yeah, my other sauce is so bland compared to this. By the way, my other kids did have their dinner, which was kind of different from what we're eating at the moment because this is a birthday mukbang. They will be in future mukbangs to be decided at a later time. Have you been grabbing mine? Is that what's going on right now?
No, I'm still going for mine. You just finished yours.
No way. There's no way.
Yes, you have just been talking.
I feel like
and
you just
didn't notice.
I feel like you grabbed like half of what
I
I
did
had on
not.
the side. That's what I feel like you did. Not gonna lie. This is pretty good though. The sauce is good. I just feel like it's missing something. But it could be the fact that we didn't have that much
Old Bay seasoning.
Old Bay seasoning this time.
Hey Mom, have you decided what you're gonna be for Halloween?
Yeah, I've been decided.
What is it?
I'm not telling you. That's the whole point.
Why aren't you telling me?
Because the fun part is in the surprise. I've already decided. That's why I've been buying the little pieces I need for it.
Oh. Like the ears, and that's kind of all I've seen.
Pretty much.
It'd be like a wood nymph or a fairy.
No. I just need the ears because it kind of goes with the look. But you know, Instagram and Facebook and YouTube will see the finished product. It's a surprise for the masses. So yeah, guys, she's turning 10, which is both exciting and a bit scary.
Because the years are just flown.
They have though. As lame of a statement as it sounds, it actually means that I've been a mom
For 10 years straight.
for a decade already. Did I just catch my neck? Oh, I think I did. And it doesn't feel like it though. Really, it doesn't.
Hey Mom, what's the weirdest Halloween costume you've seen on Instagram?
I don't know. To be honest with you. Ooh, that was a good piece. We're like almost done. Are you gonna eat the cucumbers? Because I can't.
I am. Am I in those things?
I think you're gonna be on your own, kiddo.
The weirdest Halloween costume that I've seen is a stick person.
Like a stick bug?
No, like a stick person.
It's not a costume.
Wearing like
It's like
a whole white shirt, white like bodysuit, and taking tape and doing the outline, and then drawing on paper like
that's
to make a mask.
That's tacky.
That is.
That means that you just have no. Don't get me wrong. That is kind of like creative because that means that you had no money and you were just like, I'm gonna figure something out. So, I will give credit to that.
Also, I saw like a Sims 4 costume. It's the weirdest thing ever.
I have seen that. Oh my god. I'm getting there. I think I'm almost stuffed. Did you know that was the point of that, right? That rag.
What?
The rag was to dry, to wipe your face, and you like use it as like
It's helpful.
a shield to cut things and break things and demolish things. Yep, I'm just about there. There goes that good old VSG, baby. By the way, guys, for my followers, the people that have been watching me, I am a year and 1 month out of my VSG surgery. Starting weight was 223. Current weight is 150.
That's a lot.
Yeah. And I also have 20 more pounds to go. Even though I have had people tell me to stop losing weight, which I find hysterical. But that's another video for another day.
Another mukbang.
Yeah, really.
I can't wait for another one. I'm sorry.
We haven't even finished this one yet.
I know. I don't know. I just like the fact of having people watch me eat.
Well, that's what most mukbang people have going on. This is our first one, and we're like pretty much almost done.
How long has it been? Like 20, 30 minutes?
I don't even know. But I know, all I know is that I think this is about to be my last dip. I'm gonna have like one more bite left.
Oh no, I just thought of something. Just thought of another Halloween movie. Out of the blue. Countdown. The new movie where it's like an app and people download it on their phones and it tells them what time they
I
die.
haven't seen that yet. Can't count that. Can't count that when nobody's watched it yet. Oh yeah, this is my last bite. Guys, I'm stuffed. Last dip.
I still have 2 crab legs to go.
You still have rice
And cucumbers.
and cucumbers to go. I, my friend, on the other hand, I don't know if I can get this last bite in. I don't think so. I don't think I can. I lied. I don't think I can do it. Ah, that was it. Thank you guys. Like, subscribe, watch, look out for my kids. They might be having a YouTube channel soon. And see you later.